Hello. So as a trader, we have to overcome a many issues, many mindset issues to be a consistable and profitable trader, right? So as a trader, you might encounter this thing many times in your trading career that you take an entry here and you keep an SL below. So what happens, most of the time, your SL will taken and the price will move in your favor, right? And what you will do, so you will blame yourself and you will curse yourself, and definitely you will blame yourself about your patience and you are not following the discipline, and the stop losses was always hunting. Some people that are sitting like operator or market makers, they will take my SL. So we started complaining about those issues, right? But there is one simple method which I'm following for the years, which actually saves me a lot of wrong direction trades, which actually allows me to get a more confirmation about my trade direction. And also, this simple method makes me so disciplined and patient. So I will show you what that exact method is. It's very simple and powerful. So I'll show you in this video. So I recommend you to watch this video completely so that you can understand maybe clearly. Let's go and watch. See, as I told you, see, many times the price will come and takes our SL and it will go in our favor. So this will uh, happen like this, right? So consider you are using a logical trading system that these are visible reversal zone, right? And when the price comes down here, we will expect for a BYF trade setup and we look for the law. So if you are new to this video and you are wondering what is logical trading system and what is BYF trade setup, I'll give you the link here and this description, and you can watch that completely and you can get back here, and that so that it makes so easy for you to understand about this particular method. Okay, so we expect a BOF here. So we take an entry at this point and we'll keep our SL below, right? So what we'll expect here, we expect the price to move above. And what happens in the most of the cases, right? So this will happen. So again, the price will come down and takes our SL and finally it will go. Am I right? So this will happen many times. So what we can do it? So who we can blame? So do we blame ourselves? Do we blame the market makers, operators, stop loss hunters? There is no use of this, right? There is no use of blaming anyone, including us. So we change our mindset little bit. So what is that? So what I will do? So whenever the price comes here, right? Whenever price comes here, I want to take an entry and I want to keep an SL below. What I'll do, I'll keep an imaginary stop loss here, and I still now I don't take a trade, right? So what I will do, I will wait for again the price to come here and get reverse at my SL. If price takes my SL and if that price reversed imaginary, right? So what I will do at that time, I'll go take an entry here and keep my SL below and look for the price to move in my direction. And what this will make, so this will make you to practice the patience, this will make you to follow the discipline, this will gives you more confirmation about the direction, and in this particular case you will avoid getting hunted by the stop losses, right? So this is the method I'm using it for a few years. So this will definitely help, and I'll show you some couple of examples that gives you more idea about how this will work in real time. So look at this nifty example. So in this case, so we got a BYF trade setup at this point, right? So what we usually do, we'll take an entry here and we'll keep our SL below and we expect the price to move in our favor. But what happens at this case? This case was actually completely different. Let me tell you. See, our initial entry is here, our stop loss is below, right? So what happened, the price was not moved in favor and it came down and took our SL and again it reversed. So what we will do, we'll take an entry here, again we'll keep an SL below and look for the price to move in our favor. And this point, I don't want you to take an entry, you just draw an imaginary line of entry and SL and wait for some time and the price to clear your SL. See, I will, what I'll do, see, I will just draw this line and I'll wait for my SL to take. So this is my entry, right? And below is my SL. This is my SL, right? This is my initial SL. So I will wait for my SL to clear, right? And this case, my stop loss was already cleared, but still I'm not in a trade. Once I know that if the stop loss was cleared, the stop loss was taken, the stop loss was hunted, I will take an entry. So in this case, what you will do? You need to wait patiently, and this method will makes you more disciplined, and this will gives you extra confirmation for going long. And sometimes what will happen, no, the price will go from here to above. So that case, that time what you will do, that we have to accept that the price is moving in our direction without us, so we will ignore that trade and we look for the next trade. And you don't worry, you'll get many trades like this, because you know that, right? You can think in your past. So most of the time the price will not move after your entry. This that will come and takes your stop loss, and the price will move in your favor. So we are changing the entry type slightly different, and we'll wait for other traders to take their decision, let other traders take their stop losses and let them go away, so we can enter into the trade and we'll expect the price to move. That's a bad, right? So if you really interested, I mean, if you really like this video and if you tried this in your trades, so do comment, so that I'll know how it works for you, and so that I'll come up with another methods and other ideas the next time. See you, take care, bye.